Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucket Coins, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new coin that has come out. It's an unusual coin. As you can see, its portrait is of Charles III and it's dated 2023. The date being here. It's Charles III and it is a £5 coin. The reason why this one is so different from any of the others that you may see around is that this coin is only available at one place and one place only, and that is the Royal Mint. You cannot even buy this coin online at the Royal Mint website. It is that specialised in the sense that nobody else has it. And on the first part there, please pause this at any time so you can read the script. This gives you an idea of what the coin is about. It is the Welsh coin and it has the Prince of Wales feathers with Ixtleen, which is the motto of the Prince of Wales, and it says "Land of my fathers" is in the first part. The second part looks about the design and how the original design of this particular coin was used on the old round £1. We then have a thing called Dewi Saint. Dewi is a very well-known Welsh name. I knew one or two pilots. I knew a pilot in the Air Force that was called Dewi. So that's the way he pronounced his name, and I hope I got it right this time as well, Dewi. We then have experience of the coins, about the coins and how they're minted and where they're minted. Then we have the things, the original maker, the original maker. Then on the back we have a little description about the coin and its specifications. It's of proof quality. The obverse designer is Martin Jennings, who is the King's portrait designer, and the reverse designer is Nigel Silman. And it says the Welsh Dragon, exclusively available at the Royal Mint Experience. The Wales 2023 UK £5 base proof coin features a memorable design that first appeared on the UK £1 coin in 1995. Originally created by the renowned sculptor Norman Silman, the patriotic reverse design appears on this coin combines the spirit of the Wales through conventional Welsh iconography. Whether purchased as a gift for a loved one or a personal memento of your visit, this coin is a perfect way to celebrate Wales culture with the Royal Mint. Now that will give you a clue that this, as I said, is not available to buy. You can only get it by visiting the Royal Mint. Now the way that I got it, because I've not yet visited the Royal Mint, is through a guy who bought it on my behalf. That guy is a guy who's done Strike Your Hands for me in the past, and that's Bo Selector. So if you can thank him from me by going across to his site and giving him a subscribe, I would be grateful. So going back to the coin, we have the value of £5, we have a beaded outer circle, and then we have the Welsh dragon on 3 legs with one leg sort of pouring out, its right front leg pouring out as if it's defending itself or attacking. It's a beautiful sculpted and a very iconic coin. Originally there was a smaller Welsh gold coin with the Welsh dragon on it that was produced, and you could only buy from the mint a few, 3 or 4 years back. They then changed it to the Flower of the Nations for, the Beasts of the Nations for 1 coin for 1 year, and then they've gone back to the Welsh Dragon as depicted here for this year. They are limited mintage, although they've not put an upper estimate on how many they're going to produce and sell this year. It's only sort of March, so I don't know whether they will reissue this run once it reissue this coin once it's sold out of its original run. But they're not the cheapest of coins. They are quite an expensive coin to buy, but they are, as I say, a one-off coin. And if you're a collector like I am, then you try and make sure that you get one of these coins each year. I think I've got 3 of them so far. I think there's a couple of years that I'm missing, but that was just when I first started and didn't know that the coin existed. So, what do you think of this coin? Would you want to purchase it yourself and have it in your collection? Have you in fact purchased it yourself and got it in your collection? It is a lovely coin, and the detail in the dragon, when you look at it close up, you can see the scales. And I think you should, and I think you can see them quite clearly through the viewfinder as well, so you're probably getting the same sort of view that I am. So I like this coin, and I'm very glad to have it in my collection. Whoops, the other way. So, if you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you think I deserve it, then please do hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria, and some collectible stuff. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you, and thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, bye bye. Ta-da now.